Tomorrow, I'll have a regular tea lesson, so I'd like to show you how I prepare for it. The most important part of preparation is cleaning the tea room. At the Zen temples, the very first and most important training is cleaning. There is a saying, first cleaning, second faith. Before you cultivate faith, you must first practice cleaning. In Zen practice, everything begins with sweeping, polishing, and caring for your surroundings. Cleaning the shoes, floors, pillars, tables, and utensils. Through these simple actions, you polish not only your environment but also your heart. That is the true teaching of the Buddha. Now I set up the tea room. Tea practice is also about learning how to handle the utensils with care. We never touch the iron kettle with bare hands because fingerprints and oils can leave stains and eventually cause rust. In the mizuya preparation area, I only take out the utensils I will use that day. Even the papers and the cloth that wrap the utensils are treated with care and returned neatly to their boxes. Items not used for this lesson are properly stored away. When putting things back, I always wrap them exactly as they were. Practicing tea naturally develops a habit of order and mindfulness. There are so many beautiful tea utensils I'd love to have, but showing off expensive items is not the spirit of tea. My teacher always said, tea is about creativity. Don't say you can't do something because you don't have it. Instead, find a way to make it work with what you have. Today's lesson focuses on the furo, summer hearth, and the offering tea ritual, as well as guest etiquette in preparation for our formal tea gathering in November. For the main suite, I order Fuji-san Yokan, Koshu grape from the famous shop Kindaruma in Toyama. The flavor of the grapes is rich yet refreshing, truly delicious. The design with the Mount Fuji clearly depicted is also beautiful. Practice is always something to look forward to, especially because of the wonderful sweets. I'd like to continue discovering delicious confections from all over Japan.